Hey y'all, I wanted to give a fig update. Y'all know I'm getting addicted to figs. I think once you start with figs, it's kind of like chicken math, right? Chicken math, fig math, maybe the same thing. Once you get a few figs, you're gonna get addicted to them. I have lots of figs and I wanted to give y'all an update on all of my cuttings and my young figs that I've just started this year. So this is an Olympian fig. This is a cutting I got offline. Not really sure where. I got my cuttings from two different places. I don't remember which came from which right now, but you can see right there was the original cutting, and look at all of the growth. Y'all, I started rooting these cuttings at the end of December, and look at the growth. Absolutely fantastic growth on these figs. This is my original Texas everbearing fig. I bought this at a local garden center here in East Texas. And when I potted it up, I had to take a few cuttings off of it to make room for it to be able to go in this pot that it's in. And then I'll show you, this is one of its offspring. This came from a little twig cutting that I cut off of the mother Texas everbearing. And then let me jump over here to this one. Same thing with this fig. I took a little cutting because I had to make room for the pot, and those tiny sticks, those fig sticks, if you will, turned into this. If you saw my Baker Creek video on the figs that I got from them, another shout out to Baker Creek, but these cuttings came from Baker Creek. They were just tiny little bitty plugs, and now look at them. They are putting on lots and lots of growth. This winter I'll be up potting them already. I feel pretty confident that they're filling these pots out with the roots, and I don't want them to get root bound. But another shout out to Baker Creek. They did me right on these figs and they are looking fantastic. So I'm very excited about these figs, y'all. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update on how the cuttings have gone and where they are at. I hope that these hold figs. I finally got to eat some figs, my first figs, go figure, right? I've got 17 fig trees growing, and I got to eat my first fig just last weekend at a Airbnb in Florida, and love them. So now I'm even more excited about fig trees. Follow along. You'll get to see how these figs turn out, and you'll get to see if I get any figs off of my trees. Never stop learning, never stop growing. Thanks for watching.